Hi guys! So welcome back. I showed you earlier what we bought, right? So I'm gonna show it again. I have my macaroni soup and I got gravy, rice, and then spicy chicken breast. So just to give you a little bit of the the pricing here, and people will say, oh, that's a small chicken. Here in US or here in Canada, they serve like bigger parts of chicken. I know, maybe because like how we are built. Usually Filipinos are not that big or not that bodybuilder, so they really don't need. We eat a lot, we eat many times a day, but we don't really eat big portion, you know what I mean? Like you eat tika tika, something like pika pika, that's how we call it here. But anyways, this chicken with the macaroni soup is 109 pesos. That's roughly, I don't know, $2.50, because dollar right now is super small. So anyways, look, where is it? Where is it? Is it? Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna like, okay, open this one. I've been wanting to do like Jollibee Mukbang. Oh my god, look at that soup. You can see, right? Okay, I'm just gonna like show you how it looks like. This is like the macaroni soup. Woo! It's dripping. Okay. It's still hot though, so perfect for the weather. By the way, it's raining right now here in Lapu-Lapu, so you know. Ren also having his French fries. I have fries. This is Jollibee fries. Which one do you like, McDonald's or Jollibee fries?
I would say Jollibee.
Jollibee, okay. I like Jollibee too because you know, if you can eat it when it's hot, like it gets a little bit cold, McDonald's fries turns into like super saggy and it tastes like paper. But this one, if you don't eat it when it's hot and you just eat it later on, it tastes like, although it's a little bit soggy, but there's a taste to it. You know what I mean? This is better. Mm. 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 Mm.
Here.
Be careful. Okay. Ren gave me his rice. That's why I didn't order extra rice. Wow. Mm-hmm. Chicken macaroni soup. It's really good. And take note, guys, it's midnight. Mm. 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 I'm gonna open the rice. I wish I have like a wide table and I'm just gonna put my camera over there and then so you can see what I'm eating, but it's okay. So it's spicy. As you can see, there's like spicy flag. Ooh. This is how you know if you ordered a spicy chicken, because they put like a little flag there. And you can use that as toothpick after you eat. Amazing. Okay. Thank you, Lord. Jokon! Tunga ta sa rice, oh.
Ha?
Tunga ta sa rice. Dili on mag-rice si Ren.
Yeah.
Kuha ako. Ba, ikaw tunga.
Live na ko.
Wala. Nag-record man ko. Okay. Ooh, look at the chicken. Chicken meat. It smells so good. It's still hot, guys.
Gamaro-maro dun yung Jollibee.
Mm.
Gamay kay kuan, hapit tunga.
Kamay bitaw. Like, I wanna use my bare hand now. I have tissue because just in case, because I'm eating in my table. So guys, leave it in the comment section below if you guys tried, if you've been to Jollibee in Philippines, and what is your favorite food in the menu. It's funny because I'm eating Jollibee right now, right? And I'm drinking McDonald's. Jokon, imuha ning Starbucks diri nga kape?
Oh.
Empty. Put in the trash. Okay. Best chicken in the world, Ran? Oh.
Oh.
Anyways, guys, that's just it. That's just my mukbang. I still have a little chicken here. Well, a big piece of chicken. I may not be able to finish it now because I'm a bit full because of the soup, the macaroni
You're
soup.
full?
Yeah, maybe I'm gonna eat it on
Really?
this breakfast.
Is it possible that you can always be full?
Why you have to say that in front of the camera? Like, oh my God. Ren always docks me. Again, guys, for those of you who ate Jollibee here in Philippines, leave it in the comment section below, and which Jollibee, oh, thank you, Lord.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, which Jollibee branch you've been before, and what is your favorite food in the menu. So I hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, to Santa Seven's channel. Always don't forget, guys, stay full. I'm good. Be nice and stay safe.
You just lost control.
See you soon, guys. Mwah.